everyone! Let us welcome our successful applicant, of course, our kabayan, Pilipina, from UAE. Her name is Ma'am Jeje. Okay, Ma'am Jeje, congratulations! Can you share your visa, ma'am, to everyone? Ayan. Sa lahat po ng ating followers, si Ma'am Jeje po ay meron po siyang visa ngayon, multi-entry visa. At siya po ay nagkaroon ng visa. Ma'am Jeje, can you tell us your experience in Wizard Immigration?
My experience with Wizard is I applied last April 2023 and I got the visa. I waited for 1 year. I've got the visa. Isang taon po ako nag-antay. Isang taon.
Isang taon. The journey po is hindi ganun kadali. Hindi rin po siya nakakalabas all the time. So, from that time na nagkaroon po siya ng visa, ngayon lang po siya nakarating. So, Ma'am Jeje, how do you say to all people, they are saying, no, you are not legit, you are a scammer, you don't get visa. How do you say about that?
Yeah, to all of those who are saying that it's a scam, it's not legit, please, just trust the process. Totoo po. Nagkaroon po ako ng visa and with the help po of Ma'am Rachel, na napakabait, napakagaling.
Wizard team.
Wizard team also, Sir Arif. Thank you po. Hindi po scam.
Yes. And thank you, Lord, also because she have this 1 year working visa and she's moving to Poland within 2 days po. At magtatrabaho na po siya doon. Marami pong salamat!